What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video I will show you the exact step-by-step instruction what should you do if you want to have the latest update directly related to your shares of MMTLP, former MMTLP and next bridge hydrocarbon stock. And first of all, let's start with this news. We are on Twitter of Metamaterials News, and on December 28th they published this. MMTLP today marks 2 weeks from the distribution date. According to the S1, the spin-off should be complete 2 weeks after the 14th, but brokerages did not give shares of next bridge to their clients yet. And definitely we are at the very crucial point when a lot of deadlines was failed, and because of this violation basically of laws, we have very good chances to see some kind of bigger tsunami wave, informational tsunami wave, because of these deadlines. And I have to say that we have zero news from authorities, from FINRA and SEC. As you can see, if you type in Google search bar MMTLP news, we have the news that are basically 2 to 3 weeks old, and this is the most recent ones. And definitely this lack of information shows that a lot of fraudulent activity is still on the table, because authorities should solve this problem, and definitely they are not trying to do so at this short period of time. So on my previous video I've told you that you have to call AST, because AST already received the allocations from DTCC, and here was the contact information. I've told you to contact them via phone or via email or just regular mail. And I have to say that a lot of people already contacted them, and the results are not so good. So if you call to your brokerages, brokerages tell you that you have to call to AST. If you call to AST, AST tells you that you have to call to DTCC. But DTCC doesn't work with the beneficial holders, and this might be some kind of loophole where nobody can solve this problem. But let me show you this video. This is the Bird Lady Roll Pigeon YouTube channel, and she does an awesome work. And here's the latest video that she made just several hours ago, and I have to say that it is a very important video. I will put the link on this video in the description below. You can watch it by yourself in order to see the entire conversation. But right here you can see the step-by-step tutorial what should you do if you want to have the latest updates. So first of all, you have to call your broker, and this is a really important part. Second one, tell them that DTCC does not deal with beneficial holders. DTCC deals with brokers only. Third step, tell your broker to open up a case on your behalf requesting when the allocation of next bridge hydrocarbons will be made. It is a very important step. Fourth step, tell your broker to open a case, give you a case number, and give you all the updates from that case number. Tell them, next step, tell them you want daily updates on your case as to when this will be closed and when you will get your allocation. And these steps are really important, because if your brokerage doesn't want to open this account, just change your brokerages, because it is their obligation. They have to open your case, on this case, on your behalf, because it is the rule. It is the terms of their work, and definitely this is a very important part. And because of this simple script, you can receive the latest updates directly related to your shares at your brokerage account. And I have to say that I will put the link on this script in the description below as well, and you can use it. But on top of that, let me show you the latest information from John Burda Twitter account. For those of you who don't know, John Burda is the former CEO of Torchlight Energy, and right now he wanted to solve the problem of retail investors who put their money into MMTLP stock. And here is one of his latest tweets, and he published this: Ali, I'm in. Can we do a GoFundMe page or something like that? And this is a really important tweet. Let me quote it for you. So, Ali from Trading Secrets posted this: if 64,000 investors can contribute $15 each, we have the legal right to file the largest class action in trading history. Enron shareholders agreed an out-of-court settlement of $7.2 billion. We will wait for any behind-the-scenes negotiations before making our decision. And here is the screenshot that he added to his tweet, and let me quote it for you. Successful class action cases often result in hefty pre-trial settlements. The lawsuit Enron shareholders filed after the company's collapse resulted in a $7.2 billion settlement. Another famous class action was the product liability case filed against Toyota for faulty brakes. It resulted in a costly recall and over a $1 billion settlement. So definitely we have a chance, and I have to say that I'm making my videos not to repeat the information that you can find by yourself, but I'm making these videos in order to reach broader audience, in order to prevent the fraudulent activity from FINRA and SEC, in order to protect retail investors. So, and in my opinion, it is a very, very important case. And if you want to know the entire situation, if you want to know all the information directly related to this case, I will put this link as well in the description below. And this is the 38-page summary of the situation around MMTLP and its spin-off. So, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.